Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by protecting your data and ruling out simple causes. Back up your photos and settings, then remove any case and screen protector because pressure points cause ghost touch. Clean the screen gently with a microfiber cloth and 70% isopropyl to remove oils. Once done, reboot into safe mode and test the display. This isolates third-party apps versus hardware faults. If ghost touch persists in safe mode, you now know the issue is likely hardware or firmware, so continue to the next steps. Now you address configuration and software. Open settings and check touch sensitivity, gesture controls, and accessibility options. Reset any altered values because miscalibrated settings can misinterpret taps. Make sure you install all system updates and the latest Realme firmware, since firmware patches often fix touch driver bugs. Perform a soft factory reset only after backup if settings changes fail. Also inspect the screen edge for cracks, bulges, or moisture. Physical damage or humidity can create phantom touches, so dry or repair as needed. To finish, confirm whether the digitizer is faulty by connecting a USB OTG mouse. If pointer control is stable while touch misbehaves, the touch panel hardware is likely bad. Make sure to gather purchase and warranty details, then contact Realme service for digitizer replacement or authorized repair, because replacing the touchscreen assembly fixes ghost touch in most cases. If you need a short-term workaround, disable aggressive gestures, lower touch sensitivity, or install a reputable touch blocker app. If repairs fail, insist on diagnostic proof from the technician.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.